Hi everyone. So welcome to the section on installation of Python and a pandas library. So if you see pandas as one of the library which is running on the top of this Python programming language. So we should have first Python to get installed, and on the top of we can install the pandas. So I will show you the two ways of installation of this Python and a pandas both, and we'll go with one of the ways. So the first way of installation is you can first install the standalone Python. After that you can go with one of the package manager available in a Python like a pip installer. So through this pip installer you can install the individual library which is running on the top of this Python. And afterwards you can install the IDE level stuff which we are going to use in this course like a JupyterLab, Jupyter Notebook, plus data analysis library, one of the core library available for the data analysis task like a pandas library. So this way is the one way you can go. There is another way, like you can install the Anaconda Python environment. So Anaconda is one of the Python plus its library distribution package which bundles with thousands of different package, and at a one shot once you install this Anaconda, automatically all those package library modules get installed. So this is, I feel like, one of the easiest way to get started. So all the necessary package like a Python plus pip, pandas, Jupyter and many other libraries already got installed. So in this course we are going to go with this second way of installation. You can always go with the first way of installation also. At the end of this section, just make sure that your pandas library should get installed on your local machine to proceed with the later section of the course, plus your JupyterLab or Jupyter Notebook, either of them, whatever you like, you can continue with that. In this course we are going to continue with this JupyterLab. However, you can run all those code inside the Jupyter Notebook also, because JupyterLab is nothing but just extension of Jupyter Notebook with just little bit more feature, plus some look and feel will be different. Okay, so in this section we are going to see how to download and install this Anaconda. We'll get started with the Anaconda, plus we'll get started with the JupyterLab or a Jupyter Notebook to get running on your local machine. Okay, so that is all about this video. From the next video we'll download this Anaconda Python distribution and we'll install on our local machine.